What up, y'all? Welcome back to another video. It is your girl Teresa Adele, and you already know, you see this unit sitting on my head. I'm sitting at the little beauty area in front of this ring light. You already know what's going on. Y'all, fall about to be lit. Fall is about to be lit. Ooh. Fall about to be lit, hey. This whole, you know, beautiful, luscious unit here that I wanted to show you guys. It is fall, and I already kind of explained that I wasn't wearing no hair until fall. It is fall, and guess what? The hair is here. Honey, it is here, and it came and made an entrance. Okay, like, and you already know this is synthetic. One day I'm gonna stop being a cheapie and I'm gonna get me a really good full human hair wig, but I just needed something real fast because I got some stuff coming up and I just wanted to have a different look besides the red unit that I just purchased. I mean, for my last wig try on. So yeah, but I wanted to come in and bring y'all this try on, this wig try on, to just kind of show y'all what I bought from Sam's Beauty. This is the outre lace front wig in the color Dr. Caramel Night. This wig is called Raina. See if you can see that. It's called Raina, Dr. Caramel Night. And they have several different colors in this particular unit. What else? You can heat this up to 400. Color Bomb is coming through with more salon quality colors that can't be found anywhere else. Leave the flat basic colors for another girl. Color Bomb split dye has multiple vibrant colors beautifully blended to create a unique look that is so you. Get into it. Get into it, honey. And I am definitely into this. It is premium synthetic fibers, self-worthy styles, selfie-worthy styles, of course, because you know I'm finna pick up this camera and get to snapping. Salon quality split dye colors. This two-tone color is everything. I didn't know, like, this wasn't the original color that I was going for, but I'm glad that I ended up getting this one because it's super cute. Like, it's so cute. Soft Swiss lace, which I already cut that off in the video that I'm about to show you guys, and it has this parting right here. So it's really not, you can't part it anywhere else, but you can shift this to the middle and give yourself a middle part. You can do that. And it has the natural baby hairs in it, which I don't know what is natural about a synthetic wig. Baby hairs, whatever. Either way, go ahead and sit back and enjoy this good old video here, and I hope you guys enjoy. Thank you so much for kicking it with your girl Teresa Adele, and make sure you leave comments below, and I'll see y'all after I finish showing y'all this this try on. Okay, I hope you enjoy this video.
Oh, 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 the type that makes me feel old. I'll give you bona fide loving. Oh, oh, oh,
guys, like, comment, and subscribe on this YouTube video. I would really appreciate it. And also, I'll give a shout out to my friend. Thank you for having my post notifications on. You were the first to comment on my Twitter, and I just want to say thank you for being so active. Now it is my time to support you. So with that being said, so now that we got the announcements out the way, let me take this off. You know what I'm saying? I mean, I may have to look at all of you today, but it's okay. I still take your hand. All right. So it's time to get into the shit. Y'all already know what that is. That's the son, Ninja Poop.
tell you that I saw your boyfriend walking down the road. He was standing all shook, couldn't even look, and I was extra cold. I might as well take a minute or two to talk about the books, cause you can't compete with a man like me, and that's just how it works. Look, this comes as no surprise. What you need is an older guy with a little bit of life experience, the right clothes and the right appearance. Ooh, girl, wouldn't that feel nice? Hot dinner with a candlelight. And really, when it gets down to it, pick a man that's down to fight. I'll give you bona fide loving. Oh, the type that makes me feel old. I'll give you bona fide loving. Oh, the type that makes me feel old. Ow. I'll give you bona fide loving. The type that makes me feel old. I'll give you bona fide loving. The type that makes me feel old.
Listen, I had tried this. I ain't gonna lie. I had put it on when I first got it, right? Cause you know I have to come back and rebox it and unbox it for you guys. But look at this. Now, hold on. Let me just soak in this glory for a moment. Yeah, I know how I be when I get my units. I don't glue nothing down, turn nothing down, because it's coming right on off. But I'm a rub. Excuse me, say what? You was talking to who? You was talking to... You couldn't talk to me. Woo, child. It's fall. It is fall. Guess what? It's time for a big hair again. I love this unit, y'all. Like, tell me what you think down in the comments, guys. So, as you see, I went ahead and cut the lace off and I just stuck it on there, you know what I'm saying, just stuck it on there real good or whatever. It comes with the baby hairs already plucked, and you know, I did not comb that down. I mean, I did not lay that down, because sometimes, I mean, I would like maybe a setting spray on it, but I'm not putting no spiking gel or anything on there. I think that takes away from the beauty of the wig, and it putting all that product in there, especially with this being synthetic, it just really kind of begins to age the wig really quickly. So we didn't do that, but you see this is two-tone, like a it's like a dark, like it's a brown color, but it's like a blondish. It's from the blondish family. It's from the blonde family. So yeah, I totally in love with this. I don't really have many places to go, but you guys will be seeing this in pictures coming soon, okay? Real quick, real fast, because this deserves to be seen. Okay. I should have laid my hair down though. Like, I should have laid it down, but once I get done with this, I'm going to bed. I'm not doing this all night. But anyway, I just kind of want to come in here and show y'all this. This is, what is this? How many inches is this? I don't even know how many inches this is. I'll try to leave the information down below. But I want to say this is like gotta be like a 16, 18. And what I've noticed about it is that it does shed. I would really need to go in and really chop this up a little bit more at the bottom so it won't be so, you know, bulky. But it is definitely super, it's not heavy, it's super light, it's super easy to put on, it's soft as crap, like it's just super soft. But I did notice that it does shed, so you just may want to be cautious with that, with that part. It does shed. So when I cut the lace off, I didn't cut much of the hair off up here, so the lace didn't, I mean the shedding didn't come from the hair up here. It definitely came from the back. I combed through it before I even put it on, so that I could see, you know, what it looked like when it fell. And yeah, so, but you can heat it. You can put a little bit of heat on here, probably up to maybe 400, and yeah, you can put it on here up to 400, and yeah, you could, you know, comb it, wash it, and all of that stuff. With all the shedding though, like I wouldn't really be one to wash this multiple times. So yeah, but anyway, I hope you guys like this wig. I will leave all of the information down below. You guys all saw the inside of this. You saw the combs. Actually, the cap fits very well, even though it's still a bit snug for me. I think if it would have been like maybe a tad bit bigger, then I would have, you know, I would have felt more comfortable. But it's not coming off or anything, and it feels great. It feels absolutely amazing. So I'm good in that area. Yeah, so that's it for this or whatever. And tell me what you think about this wig. Leave your thoughts below. I'll leave the link to this wig below. And I just kind of wanted to just get something for the fall, and I was like, let me come in and show my people what I got. And I'm in love, and I hope you guys love it too. And this is on Sam's Beauty. All right, peace.